The first thing we're gonna do is upload then duplicate our image, and I like to do it a few times, and after that you can press the hide contour button, and every part that you press is gonna make it disappear. So for this first one, I'm gonna make the hat solid, and then I'm gonna erase using a shape, which on here it's called slice. So we're gonna just cover the face real quick, and then I'm gonna drag the pen across both of the images, the shape and the image, and then I'm gonna press slice. And then you just delete it. It's just a lot faster to do things this way, unless you just want to sit there and press every area that you want to disappear. I'm just gonna get the red layer in right here. So this is all for the red layer. I'm just taking off all the parts that I don't want to cut out with my Cricut. So right here is just the red for the Santa Claus hat. And down below you can click edit and change the color just so you can have all your layers organized and you can know where you find them. So you see I made the hat solid instead of cutting it out, instead of cutting the area out that I wanted to put the red in, because sometimes when you do those things you can see the back, or you can see like a double line on there, and it just looks kind of funny. So now I'm gonna do the white for the Santa Claus hat. And you see it takes a little while to mess with it when you do it manually like this, instead of just erasing it with the shape down below and slicing it. So we're gonna paint this white in the edit, and then you'll see it on the right hand side of the screen. It has the column that says layers, and right there it just makes everything a lot easier. You have the little eyeball on the bottom of the layers column. That's to show you what layers you want to see. If you press it, it'll make the layers disappear. And it also has a trash bin right next to it if you want to delete a layer. You can always press the back button or the undo button on the bottom as well, and it will bring it back if you accidentally delete a layer. So right here, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to slice the whole area around the eyes. All I want to do is make a layer of the eyeball that's yellow, and that's basically all I'm gonna do. I'm not doing the layer for the Grinch's face because I'm using a green garment, and I'm just gonna use the garment as the face coloring. But even if you do want to do one, you can pretty much just take the hat off, slice the hat off, or hide it in the hide contour area. And you can always just use some green HTV and peel out all the black areas on there and pretty much just use that. So here I'm checking how everything looks. Now I'm gonna press the hide contour tab, and I'm gonna delete the white areas as well, because I don't want to peel it and have it look, see the garment in the background. I just want it to be solid. And this is how the design is going to come out. See, I actually made a mistake right here. No big deal. And we're just about done. This is all we're gonna cut. So now all that's left to do is to hide all of your layers in the right hand side column that says layers. You're gonna hide all of them pressing the eyeball, and just load up your HTV, whichever colors you're using, and just start cutting. So my shirt is preheated. I'm just centering this design, and now I'm gonna press it down for about 5 seconds. This vinyl's hot peel, and now I'm gonna set up these 2 other layers. I try to make it so that they don't overlap each other. So you can put as many layers together as you want. Just make sure they don't overlap, just so you don't have any problems with it. I actually messed up right here. I don't recommend you pressing this without using a Teflon sheet. I forgot to cover the black vinyl, but luckily nothing happened to my press, so it's all fine. I just don't recommend you doing that. I wouldn't want you to get it all over your heat press and then press a shirt and have that vinyl come off. So the yellow sheet came off already. And this vinyl is actually a different brand. You want to be aware that when using different brands, they have different temperatures, and some of them are hot peel, some of them are cold peel. I like to use different ones because, you know, some of them have certain colors that the other ones don't, and I might like the gold or the red from one vendor better than the next. So that's why I use different vinyls. So here we are with the last layer, the white. And we're pretty much all done here. So yeah, it's better to find a vinyl that's like a hot peel where you can pull it off after 5 seconds and then put a new layer on, because you don't want to overcook the vinyl. And then also I've had experiences where it kind of shrinks. So it's always just better to have a good hot peel vinyl.